Hi, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn auto system updates on in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn our system updates automatic function on, we have to go to settings, scroll down, security and privacy here. Then scroll down, we have more security settings here. And at the bottom we have Galaxy System App Update. Now it's turned off. To turn it on, we simply need to tap this little box here, and now our system will be updated automatically. We can choose this option here only while Wi-Fi is connected, or if we check this box off, we will be using mobile data. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.